All of a sudden, Shorty start Vybz to Alkaline song them. All of a sudden, Alkaline, Shorty a try push himself in the Alkaline corner. All of a sudden, Shorty want to Alkaline now. Shorty want to be Alkaline next side chick at 40 odd.
Concert, the first show in December. I'm not going to the exact date yet, but save on the money. Selling a house, selling a car if possible, selling an organ. They want kidney in China. So, yeah, man.
Kartel, it's okay for him to come out, but do not come out with the disrespect that you come out with. You're not a man. You're a man too. Because behind every strong man is a strong woman. So you can't tell me say your baby mother wasn't a force to be reckoned with behind you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, we'll talk about the interview with Isat Buchanan and Vybz Kartel. There's a video with this lady talking all sorts of things about Shorty, her release, her secret, them and who she have sex with and who she not have sex with. Then you have another interview with Lisa, the lady from Fox 5, and also Amari giving her take on Kartel and Shorty relationship. So before we get started, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment and share. Stay tuned. Now today, Isat went live both on TikTok and he also had it live on his YouTube channel with Vybz Kartel. Of course, he asked him a lot of questions and in regards to how people I say Kartel come back now and I'm influence to use them for the bad things and what are his thoughts on that, and this is what he said.
In terms of influence, there are many would have said that you it's bad influence on society and society now gonna recover now that you're free. Jamaica mashup, whatever.
That's a rubbish. Remember, since me there in prison from 2011 to 2013,
yes,
over 17,000 Jamaicans get murdered. I have the statistics. As a matter of fact, I did send it here. So we have the statistic. So when me there in prison, them say I can't tell a cause crime. So all me there in prison for 12 years, as over 17,000 Jamaicans get murdered. You ever see somebody get murdered yet? Or it gruesome? 17,000 Jamaican citizens get murdered from 2011 to 2023. So who influenced that?
No, well,
and a matter of fact, before Kartel Boss, who used to influence the murder them before that? You know what I mean? People simple-minded and people small-minded, and we can't be held responsible for them narrow-minded view of the world and how things work. You know them way there? So, yeah. Sorry, not sorry.
Sorry, not sorry. But in terms of the messaging to the youths,
me not owe nobody no message. You know, so me youth them grow good. I mean, I always tell people, say, if you look for artists to raise your kids, you have already lost as a parent. What kind of parenting skill you have? That's you want a man who bleach out and full of tattoo and tell the girl them to skin out and suck this and suck that. And the man they want to raise a picnic, sir? And the man they want to raise a picnic, miss? Really? That's what I tell you, so the people them have a narrow-minded view of how things should be. You raise your own child, people. You know what I mean? It is what it is. A prison may stay and raise me pick to them. None of them not firing a gun. I would have stretched me and from through the prison grid and none of them. So when you can't stay there talk about Kartel, a gunman and Kartel, or this and Kartel, or that. Just notice how my pick to them raise.
Then Isat asked him about his health and this was his response.
and I'm just asking the questions on their behalf. Your health. No devil's advocate. Your health. Where are you with that?
I mean, yeah, we'll get through.
On the priority.
Number one priority. Remember fitness and family. Fitness and family. You know what I mean? So that's how we're there. Matter of fact, you know, from the folk, me have a specialist from in a prison, but our prison still now, you know, you have to go through all of her paperwork for she see you.
Right.
So she could have only see me like once every 3 months, maybe. So now me there on the road, me can see my doctor every day if I want. You know what I mean? So we're up on top of it. Remember me and you go check on Monday?
I just asked you the question, you know.
Me and Isat go check on Monday. So, and we get some instruction and thing, and I have my personal trainer now where Isat line up for me. So, yeah, man, fitness up on the number one list, man.
Boy,
You know what I mean?
one thing I tell you, yeah, TMI.
No, not TMI.
Okay,
remember,
okay,
I own
okay.
the sickness, you know. Remember, we are human being, we're not string being, I be being, you know. So, and I only for people in Jamaica have the illness too. So we have to share information and make the people them know, say, you know what I mean? It is what it is.
That's true.
Yeah, it is what it is, man. No shame there in our game. So,
all right.
That's the number one priority.
Now, the big question on everybody's mind is when will be the concert? And this is what Kartel had to say.
The number two priority, you know, we're still alright and we're still at one book craft. We have only a song we write still, hundreds of songs, but we're not ready for release not yet. We are work past we say we're health and get back in sync with our family. You know what I mean? Because enough time last so we can't get forward.
Yeah, very, very true.
Yeah.
So that has to be sought out before you even consider anything about concert and
Concert,
show.
the first show in December. I'm not going to the exact date yet, but save on the money. Selling a house, selling a car if possible, selling an organ. Them want kidney at China. So, yeah, man. All right.
Lisa, the news reporter from Fox 5, also wanted to know what was Kartel's next move. So take a listen and hear what they had to say.
Already asking about when they're going to see stage shows and everything like that.
That's, I would say about December. They can look out so they can save their money. You know what I mean? It's going to be expensive, so they got to be ready to sell organs.
The wit and humor that helped him win love from his fans is still intact. As his devoted fiancée, Sidem Ozturk, mops the sweat off his forehead, we continue.
Do you plan to make more social commentary now that you're out?
Of course, a lot of social commentary. Remember, Vybz Kartel is that artist, you know what I mean? But what I would say to the fans, apart from, you know, be determined, never give up, what I'd say from my heart, Lisa, is time is precious. Don't waste it.
Now, I saw this video earlier and I don't know. I second time I see that woman I talk about Shorty in a one directive way. But apparently she either know Kartel or know the both of them. But she is saying a lot of things about who Kartel, who Shorty sleep with allegedly. Anyway, I don't listen.
Shorty will come like the man in the scary movie. When I take off makeup, you have one different blood clot virgin. Ugly Shorty. I mean, I tell you all up on social media a long time, but you not listen to me because you just live in a denial and you just believe, say, you take up for woman because you know a woman, no care woman wrong, you no business, you just go take up for woman. Shorty is a setup to the man life. I've been telling you it straight and I'm not listening. Kachu no laghead and no fool, no blood clot like him. Like Shorty, that's the reason why you don't believe. Look on it. Shorty. All of a sudden, Shorty start Vybz to Alkaline song them. All of a sudden, Alkaline, Shorty a try push himself in the Alkaline corner. All of a sudden, Shorty want to Alkaline now. Shorty want to be Alkaline next side chick at 40 odd. Big woman like Shorty want to be Alkaline next side chick. And them something me I telling about. Don't to Shorty son they know. Say Shorty fuck up. Shorty, you will fight the fight with the boss and walk the walk with the boss. Just because you make your own decision, a wrong decision, and the boss let you go. Instead of you go look at life, you come from me, they say you have Vybz to Alkaline song. Remember war, and you would have never Vybz to Alkaline song on a different note. You do it now all because you know say the boss let go your blood clot and all because you want to say you try bring down your boss in your own way. A long time you do it. We've been telling these people to be an artist, all of them artists when they want Vybz Kartel in a war. This ugly face girl we come like water in a fire to jar them every day. This girl we can't stay a minute without makeup. Shorty, you Shorty, you may talk about. You been walking and you been fucking the man enemy them. And you been walking and you been looking problem because if you could have get up in this moment when this man just come, this man even well, you're ready to bring up vibes, you're ready to start up vibes with this man. You go and I like say you just add vibes to Alkaline song alone because you still the man them when you know where you when the man them and the man them no agree. Remember, Shorty, you know, you have remember no pussy, you know. Remember then something there, you know. So I don't want nobody can go like Shorty no saint, you know. Shorty one girl where set up this man life all the time. So Shorty have no sense. And she feel like she 20 same way, she young same way, Vybz Kartel like run back at you. Brother Vybz Kartel not run back at you again, you know. So you can't stay there kill up yourself. You can't stay there kill up yourself. You don't know who you there with long time. You're going to people life. You take up people and you're there with people. And you understand the assignment. Just work with the assignment. Nobody go on like, in at the end, you go on like say, alright then, I the drop a jail. You now come back. Me now no hope seeing come back. So I go just go with enemy them car. Me go up on for them side. Because I don't want them becomes my enemy. Brother, loyalty. You stand with where you stand with until death. If I just because loyalty. Nobody don't need love. Nobody don't need love at this point. Loyalty the boss need. You see me? Intelligence. What the fuck you come now and I talk about say? You gone on IG, you gone all about gone Vybz Alkaline song and I do something like you want to bring down your boss, you want to kill down your baby father, where you want to do that to him for?
Tell me what you think. You don't really think say Shorty want David Alkaline and the whole story say Shorty has 6 other artists in the industry and the whole story with the Dana Gregory Park. Wanna believe that? Well, tell me what you think in the comment section. In other news, Amari had her 2 cents, and this is what to say. Some of it makes sense. Some of it, she's saying basically, I say, Kartel come out of prison now and choose a white girl over, you know, this mother already did it from day one. So, I'm gonna take a listen.
Kartel, it's okay for him to come out. But do not come out with the disrespect that you come out with. You're not a man. You're a man too. Because behind every strong man is a strong woman. So you can't tell me say your baby mother wasn't a force to be reckoned with behind you. You can't tell say the woman serious too. All this time, it looked like say you are the Dan Gargan. And she was the Dan Gargan all along. And you couldn't come out and just do this thing respectfully and nice. When me think say the man would have stopped up, first you say you're sick with your liver. Then you come out with a big blood clot bottle of champagne. What that for? And say you were dying with kidney or whatever disease. You should have come out of the blood clot grave, prison, which is also a grave and a coffin. You should have come out of it with your Bible. And some other like to see you walk out. And walk out of there and represent women. You understand? You ask this picture looking face girl. You ask her. Show me where you have been a Vybz Kartel fan. She can't show you a concert that she have been to. She don't know him catalog. The bitch must just depend. Pretty like a coloring book. You know one, but you don't know all. You don't know his history. You don't know where he's coming from. You don't know his culture. Coming out of jail. It wouldn't be to brag on you with a light-skinned woman. You know, it would be all about the little children of Jamaica.
That's it for now, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, like the video, and share. I'll see you next time.